Welcome to MyShield. This video will guide you through the installation process, making it simple and straightforward. Let's get started. Gather these items. The product featured in this video is MyShield Next, but the process applies to all MyShield models and versions. Slide off the bottom cover and wall mount. Insert the SIM card until it clicks. Press the red release button to remove the battery pack. Insert 6 batteries. Insert battery pack into MyShield. Place MyShield upright on a counter near its intended installation location. Refer to MyShield installation guide for the best location. Remove the blue PIR protection tape.